math muscle isn't the only one you can strengthen in your daily life. You can also give your verbal reasoning and analytical writing skills a boost with daily exercises. It's a daily word workout that will make the verbal reasoning section easier. In this lesson, we'll look at some strategies that you can apply every day that will help you build your word muscles. The verbal reasoning section of the test requires that you read and analyze complex text and passages. Passages on the test don't look like material we ordinarily read. They are complex and generally include some difficult vocabulary. The questions that accompany these passages require you to pick up on the author's tone and intention, make sense of sentence structure, and put unfamiliar words in context. You will also need to look past complicated writing to find or infer the main ideas of an article as well as the smaller supporting ideas. By making an effort to read an article online every day, you will find the verbal problems go from intimidating to manageable. Some good sources for challenging your reading skills are the Wall Street Journal, The Atlantic, The New Yorker, Psychology Today, and ScienceNews.org. Did any of your college courses involve reading scholarly journals? If so, another thing you could do is take a look back at some of those reading assignments. Now, this isn't just a relaxing afternoon of reading. You really want to be doing some critical thinking about the material as you go through it. As you read these articles, mull over the following questions. First, what is the main point or argument the author is making? Knowing the main point or argument of the passage is one of the most important questions that you may be asked on the test. Also, this question helps you understand other questions about main ideas and supporting ideas. Second, what type of information does the author present? Are there strong supports such as scientific facts or more personal anecdotes and examples provided? Does it include statistics or quotes from experts? Third question, does the author express an opinion on the topic? Or is the focus more on simply sharing information? Fourth question, is there any special language or terminology? If so, why is it included? Fifth question, how would you describe the level of writing? Is it highly technical? Is it very simplistic? What can you tell about the target audience from the writing? Sixth question, does there seem to be a tone to the writing? When we talk to each other, we often share our feelings or intentions through the tone of our voices. The author's tone may seem positive, negative, or instructional. It's a safe bet that a lot of the articles will have unfamiliar words. That's okay. Look up any words you aren't comfortable with. After you're done reading and analyzing an article, try writing a short summary of what it means and why it's important. This will give you a good idea of how far you've come in handling GRE level reading. As you read more and more of these texts, it will become easier and more natural. You will also find yourself noticing when a piece is well written and when one is poorly written. As this starts to happen, pay attention to what makes the difference between the two. Finally, when you're choosing articles to read, remember to look for both short, 1 paragraph, and long, 2 or 3 paragraph pieces of writing. Short passages are often aimed at teaching you something, whereas longer passages tend to be based on an argument the author is making. Have fun exercising those brain muscles.